Hello and welcome at the Cannes Yachting Festival. I am Alexis Chas, the Product Marketing Manager at 4Winds. This year, 4Winds is proud to debut not only one but two new models, the TH33 and the TH38, that are both outboard-powered catamarans. The TH series embodies the refinement and innovation for which 4Winds is known for over 50 years. Its unique architecture is offering unmatched stability, efficiency and space on board, providing for our customers a whole new experience at sea. Join us until Sunday in Port Canto, Cannes.